ಇದು ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳದ?
My lord, the issue is this. I'm holding a meeting. I'm not
For
holding
what?
a protest.
The police cannot obviously stall any meeting that is to be held in an office of in the office of the petitioners. Why police notice challenge?
My lord, at page 8 is the social media poster of a meeting that is being convened this evening at 5 o'clock. So last night at 10:30, the police sent me a notice saying that I cannot convene a meeting in my own office because of the fact that my lord would see at page 9.
ಏನ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಮೇಡಮ್?
ಸದರಿ ವಿಚಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಘನ ಉಚ್ಚ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದ ರಿಟ್ ಅರ್ಜಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೋ ದಿನಾಂಕ 4/7/2024 ಹಾಗೂ 21/2025 ನಿರ್ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ತಮಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ತಾವುಗಳು ಕಾನೂನು ಉಲ್ಲಂಘನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಕಾನೂನು ಕ್ರಮ ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳಲು ಆಗುವುದು. My lord would see that I am not a party to this order.
May not be.
But my lord would also see the order says the order in writ petition number.
ಏನು ಕನ್ವಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇದು ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳದ?
My lord, the issue is this. I'm holding a meeting. I'm not
For
holding
what?
a protest, but in respect of the poster is at page 8. It's the social media post that was circulated.
ಹೋರಾಟ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋರಾಟ ದಿಕ್ಸೂಚಿ ಸಭೆ?
My lord would see.
ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
It's a meeting to formulate a direction.
Who are you to formulate directions?
Lord would see in the writ petition, I am not a party. And the order says if there is a violation of law and if the petitioners in that petition.
No, there is already an order passed by the coordinate bench in identical circumstances.
My lord.
You will get the same benefit that is passed by that court if there is anything.
My lord.
You will have the same benefit that is passed by the coordinate bench.
No, the order that the police notice refers to. The police notice refers only to one writ petition.
That's
193.
just gave us order.
Yes, my lord. Which my lord would see the operative portion of the order. My lord would come to page 23. It says, I may read from the second line. In that regard, if any material is placed by the petitioners or any person aggrieved of any such action on the part of the ninth respondent or his followers, and if such information is placed before the police, it is the bounden duty of the respondent's police to take action immediately. Correct. I am not the ninth respondent. I am not the follower of the ninth
That's all
respondent.
right.
It states, no,
if the subject matter is an offshoot of this order,
no,
can't
but my lord, Quinn v. Leatham, the principle is settled. A judgment is only an authority for what it decides,
Oh,
not
seriously?
what follows.
All right.
Therefrom.
Oh, no,
My
don't
lord.
worry about all that.
No, my lord.
Don't tell rudimentary things to this court. Yes.
My submission is this, my lord.
Yes.
There is, my lord, the judgment is very clear. The order passed by the coordinate court is very, very clear. It says if there is any information placed before the police, and if there is, my lord would see the previous statement. It says if there is any offense committed, then in accordance
Madam,
with the
coordinate bench on the same, you may be a party, you may not be a party. Coordinate bench on the same subject has passed some order.
My lord, it is the order.
Yes.
I am not for one moment derogating from the finding of that order.
Leave it then.
If there is an offense, my lord, I am convinced.
If there is an offense, they will take action.
My lord, but I am being
Why are you apprehending that there will be an offense?
That is not the text of the police notice. My lord would see nothing. I was.
I will only say the coordinate bench's order will be followed. That's all.
My submission is.
That is all I am going to say.
My submission is.
My lord, if I may.
I cannot convene this meeting.
Well, and 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
You heard it, madam. Yes.
No, they have said that pretty much in this notice. They said I cannot convene a meeting in my own office. My lord, this is not a protest in a public place. At best, a protest can be regulated
Madam,
in its manner.
I will clarify this police notice to be the one in consonance with the coordinate bench's direction.
My lord.
If there is any offense committed, they will take action.
My lord.
This will not come in, the coordinate bench's direction will be followed and this notice will not come in the way of you holding whatever.
My lord.
But if there is an offense committed, they will be at liberty to follow the coordinate bench's order and pass orders. That's all.
My lord.
Right? Yes, Velan?
My lord, in a connected matter, my lordship may take item number 12 and 14.
ನೀವು ಅದೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes, my lord. I represent a trust. If I may seek my lordship's indulgence to page. No, my lord. I stand on a very different footing, my lord.
Then wait. Yes. 17. And what notice is this? Yen police notice?
It's a police notice.
35(3).
There's no provision of law. It's just a notice which says I know that you're holding a meeting. You can't hold a meeting. There is
Wait, madam. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಲಿ ಅಂತ? ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಲಿ ಅಂತಿದ್ಯಾ? Where is social Vilasa, Sirur Park Road, Sthala, Sabangana? Sabangana, why Sabangana?
It's a meeting, my lord. It's being
No, you said in your own house. You live in Sabangana?
not in my own house,
Then?
my own office.
Office.
The general secretary of the petitioner number 1 is the general secretary of AITUC.
Hmm.
It's in the AITUC's registered office, and petitioner number 2 is an advocate. There's a meeting that's being convened. The police say we are not going to allow you to hold this meeting. If you hold this meeting, we have been telephonically informed after that WhatsApp message was sent to us. Telephonically informed that we will be taken into preventive
Petitioner telephonically informed.
My lord,
Yes.
the WhatsApp.
The petitioner is before this court calling in question a notice dated 17/3/2025, which in effect has is a direction to stop the meeting that is supposed to be held on 18/3/2025 today at about 5 p.m. The police notice refers to an order passed by the coordinate bench in writ petition 19382 of 2023, which comes to be disposed on 4/7/2024. The coordinate bench,
2025.
sorry,
21 2000.
then what is that they are referring to?
That is an interim order, my lord.
Which comes to be disposed on 20th January 2025. The coordinate bench, while disposing the petition, observes as follows, para 11 court parliament. The coordinate bench holds that the petitioners the police are required to take action in accordance with law if the ninth respondent therein or his followers or any person makes any statement in the open public or publishes any derogatory statement which is in offense in accordance with law in that regard, and any material is placed by the petitioners or any person aggrieved thereon, it would be the bounden duty of the respondent police to take action immediately. The plea of the petitioner is that the petitioners are not the same respondents therein. The issue in the list is with regard to statements against whom is that? The issue in the list is identical to the issue that was projected before the coordinate bench. The meeting is said to be for the said purpose. Therefore, the petitioners, even though they are not parties to the said petition, are bound by the directions that are given by directions given by the coordinate bench. Directions, I mean, to the respondent police. If the petitioners are seen to be violating the law as observed by the coordinate bench, it is for the respondent police to take action. Till such time, till such eventuality comes about, the police cannot obviously stall any meeting that is to be held in the office of the petitioners. With the aforesaid observation, petition stands disposed.
One submission, my lord. It's not identical because there are some statements. Here it's a meeting of
Correct.
people convene. There's a discussion.
No
There
problem.
can be no bar on free and frank discussion. I mean, it's not identical to the list.
Do it. Unless an offense is committed, they will not.
Insofar as where my lord says it's identical to the list in 19382.
No, we'll say it is different. Even if it is different, the same order. Yes. Next.